So what this has, there's a dam, and in the dam it's got fish. For this instance, we only put in a few fish there. Dr. Mary Jane started speaking about the quantity of fish. Yes, there's a whole equation, but as a happy average, if you've got 200 kilograms of fish, you can plant 11,000 plants. So a dam like that, 200 kilograms of fish, and you can do 11,000 plants. So what happens here is the water flows from the dam, no pumps at this stage, it flows from there, and it goes into the blue filter, which is that long blue thing over there. That's the one that we devised out of the locker, and it goes into the first component. We call that a swirl filter. Some people call it a separator, and that's where we remove the large portions of fish waste. It then flows over, it goes into the second component, and we call that a mechanical filter, and that's where we remove the fine solids out of the water. It then goes into the third component, and the third component is Mother Nature's hotel room. That's the biological filter. That's the most important part in an aquaponics system, the biological filter. Hotel room for Mother Nature. In there, there are little bio balls, it's aerated, there's oxygen in there the whole time, same as with the fish. And that is what completes the conversion of what we call nitrification, changing toilet water into drinking water. Nitrification is taking ammonia, changing it into nitrite, and then into nitrates. The water then flows from there, and in this instance, it splits, it goes into the stone-based system, which is the white dish over there. The white dish it's a flood and drain, so it fills up and it drains and it fills up, so that your roots get oxygen and then nutrients and water. Oxygen, nutrients and water, and that's traditionally used for your tomatoes, cucumbers and those things, although you can plant anything in there. The only thing we cannot plant in aquaponics, although we've played with it, is things that grow under the soil, like your carrots, like sweet potatoes, like normal potatoes, those things. Okay, the water then flows. What we've changed here, not only here on our farm, is traditionally below the raft, where all the plants are floating on now, traditionally we have oxygen under there. So we have aeration under there to give your plants oxygen on the roots, because there's oxygen in soil. So what we did is, because the waterfall, my whole farm runs like this as well, so we're saving money, number one, on the electricity to put in extra oxygen, and number two is cleaning, because you have to clean the air stones which are below there. The water then flows from there, the plants absorb what they need, and we return the water to the fish. So, as I said earlier, the most important part not most important, one of the things that's very important is the biofiltration, filtration of the water, to ensure the nitrification process happens, because that's the magic behind aquaponics. These plants on the further side here, on my left hand side, those plants are now 29 days old, already long time ready for harvest. So we harvest between 26 and 35 days is when the plants are harvested. So a lot of people say 3 times faster than in soil. It depends on what's in your soil, you know. So but as a happy average, 3 times faster than in soil.